got a blue bike fleeing out to Buchanan on Buckingham, white male, black sweatshirt.
Trooper 3, we got that bike westbound Celia, through the dead end into the parking lot. Be coming out onto Division. Alright, he's away southbound Division, still on the sidewalk, and west on Manchester. Coming back up to Clyde Park. Cutting through the parking lot northwest corner and out on the Clyde Park northbound. He's northbound in the southbound lanes at Clyde Park through 35th. I think that 6174 is attempting to stop it by Crofton.
Head Division in Crofton, 6174.
Yeah, he's got it now. A guy stopped on Crofton, just east of right at the corner of the Division.
10-4.